could do it. Okay. Hey guys, so we made it to the cabin. Me and my mom are here right now, cleaning up, wiping stuff down. I will definitely be giving you guys a cabin tour pretty soon. Not right now, we're trying to settle in and we'll be getting ready to go out. So I definitely will give you guys a vlog of things we can do in Tennessee and show you guys where we're going today. So stay tuned for that. And I'll check back in with y'all in a minute. I was about to fall. I gotta plant myself in here. Okay. We up here. Me, mom, my daddy. About to go snow tubing. I'm about to dang near fall on this conveyor belt. Oh my goodness. Okay, so y'all coming down. Okay guys, it's raining out here, so we have our hoodies on. Got your hoodie on, babe? We got our hoodies on, but we're getting a quick drink right now at Fridays. You got an inflatable that you put your drinks in and your food in. And we have a waterproof case, phone case. So you can look, you know, put your phone in there, go when you go snorkeling or something like that and go underwater with it. Well, I'm gonna open up first. We can do this one. I guess I can blow this up first. Our float is blown up.
So I might be 5'1".
We can put our cups in there. Go, Mom. All right, our floaty blown up. What else we got? The phone case, but I'm not gonna use that right now. I could put the goggles on. Let's put the goggles on and probably go in the water. It was like, you can't go to 13B class until you float. I was floating like a mug. I can't stay in first feet. That's where the real slow kids was at. Okay, not the slow kid. I mean, I gotta edit that out. I'm like, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yeah. I'm so scared to use this on the water. You know, water be getting in sometimes. Let me see. All right. I think we're ready.
On this year, I mean, on the next property.
Oh, I'm so scared. I don't know. You know, I love holding my nose. Okay. No, I can't do it. I have to hold my nose. Okay. I'm a real one. I'm a player from the Himalaya. I can do it. All right. 1, 2. about to use this. This is about to break on Let's see if the snorkeler works for Follow Below. Let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes.
Alright, let's see. Oh, it's already ready to go. Alright. Remember we went snorkeling that one time?
Yes, sir.
What ocean was we in?
Cancun, whatever that ocean
Cancun.
is. Cancun. I was breathing underwater.
Panicked. Yeah, I was breathing underwater. Okay guys, that pretty much concludes this vlog. I will be giving you guys a cabin tour, like I said, tomorrow or the next day. Either way it goes, I'll definitely be giving you guys a cabin tour. Tomorrow we have a couple of things planned for a vlog, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm about to, I guess, eat the rest of my food and then go to bed, and then I will see y'all in the morning.